In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a search in Smartsheet. Welcome to this easy-to-follow guide where we'll explore the simple yet powerful tool that can make your Smartsheet experience much more efficient and effective. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or a seasoned user, understanding how to utilize its search functionality can streamline your workflow and save you valuable time. First things first, let's talk about the Smartsheet app itself. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a global search bar strategically placed right at the top of the interface. This is where the magic happens, your gateway to a comprehensive search experience. The global search bar is a mighty feature, designed to help you swiftly locate exactly what you need across the various components of Smartsheet. All you need to do is click on the search bar and type in your query. It's as simple as that. Maybe you're looking for a particular sheet that seems to have disappeared into the abyss, or perhaps there's a specific report or dashboard you need to pull up quickly. You might even want to find a form you recently worked on or locate a template for your next project planning session. No matter what your query involves, this search bar will scan across all these elements: sheets, reports, forms, dashboards, and even templates to locate exactly what you're looking for. As you type, Smartsheet's search engine works diligently in the background, scanning the entirety of your workspace. It's incredibly efficient and intuitive, offering suggestions and results almost instantly. This functionality ensures you're not spending precious minutes or even hours manually sifting through large amounts of data or content scattered across different areas of your space. It's also worth mentioning a few practical tips as you get accustomed to this feature. Try to be specific with your search terms for the best results. For instance, using keywords that are likely to appear in titles or within the content of the item you're searching for can yield more relevant outcomes. If you're dealing with a vast amount of data, refining your search terms can make a huge difference in quickly pinpointing the exact information you need. Another advantage of using the global search bar is its ability to provide a bird's-eye view of what's available in your Smartsheet environment. By simply typing in a broad term or phrase, you might rediscover sheets or resources you had forgotten about, sparking new ideas or directions for your projects. So that's it. Using the global search in Smartsheet is straightforward, yet incredibly beneficial for maintaining productivity and organization. By leveraging this tool, you're empowered to manage your projects with enhanced efficiency, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters: achieving your project goals. Thank you for watching, and happy searching in Smartsheet.